Today I am reviewing this A3 jump starter slash tire inflator by GOOLOO. This is a great product and everyone should have one of these in their vehicle, especially if you have 20-plus-year-old hoopties like I do. Comes in this nice case, has a little mesh back here. It's hard. Nice little thing. Keep it all secure. And this is a really high quality jump starter. You can see it here. Boom, all shiny. You can use, a nice rubber pull tab. It can also be used as a light. Jumper cables go in here. Air compressor goes in here. It can also has an output, so you can use it to charge your phone or whatever in case of an emergency. Go ahead and turn it on. Long press it down. We are on, and it shows you your battery health in bars, between 4 bars. And the battery capacity on this is 44.4 watts. So this is pretty big as far as these jump starters go. Some of them are smaller, but they're not going to hold a charge as long. So that's what's good. You want to hold down the button to start it. It also has a starting current of 400 amps, peak current 3000 amps, and the tire inflator is 150 psi. It has different settings here. You can go car, bike, and then you can go up or down on how much psi you want, balls, whatever. So like, big car, we'll put it on normal car since it's this, and I actually have to go down because these only take 28 or 29 psi in the front of these Boxsters. For the best efficiency and wear pattern on your tires and performance, it's really important to constantly check your psi and put it to the manufacturer's spec. On these Boxsters, it's 29, so it's slightly low. So we're gonna go ahead and press it. Pretty quiet. We'll see how long it takes to go up to a psi. Nice long hose on this, so it's easily reached. Boom. I couldn't even finish talking about it before it gave it the 2 psi. So that 150 psi will fill up your tires super fast. So in this jump starter, you put the jump starter in right here, and these terminals seem to be pretty good quality. This is plastic right here, so just, pay attention to that, but they have a nice spring to them, and it has a boost function. You can press down and it'll tell you, see how it lit up green? It'll tell you if you have the terminals on correct or reverse. So it's gonna help to make sure you do it correctly. Just hook up the terminals. They seem to clamp down well. Hit the boost. It says we have it correct and you're ready to... We're good to go, all started. I hope this video helps with your buying decision.